Are you a hybrid athlete, someone who trains for both strength and endurance? It's an exciting and challenging journey, but are you making the right moves to get the results you want? Many hybrid athletes, whether they are just starting out or have been at it for years, often make some common mistakes that could slow down progress. These mistakes are easy to overlook, but once identified, they can make all the difference in how you perform and recover. If you've ever felt like your training isn't paying off as much as it should, this video is for you. Let's dive into the top 5 mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Ignoring proper nutrition before workouts. A huge mistake many hybrid athletes make is neglecting nutrition before workouts. It's common for athletes to rely solely on pre-workout supplements without fueling their bodies properly. While pre-workout can give a boost of energy, it's not enough to provide the necessary fuel for productive session. Running or lifting on an empty stomach or with only caffeine can lead to fatigue and decreased performance. And the truth is, without proper fueling, your body won't perform at its peak, and progress will stall. This mistake not only affects performance but also recovery, making it harder to bounce back from intense training. To fix this, it's important to fuel the body before any workout. Simple carbs, like a banana, provide natural sugars and potassium, which help prevent cramps and offer a quick energy boost. Adding a protein bar or even rice cakes can also provide more carbs to keep energy levels stable. If you're about to do a long workout or run, consider using intra-workout snacks like energy gels to keep the body properly fueled during the activity. This will not only prevent fatigue but help build the stamina necessary for endurance sports and improve strength training results. Providing the right fuel ensures that your body has the energy to give its best effort, making all the difference during your session. Proper pre-workout nutrition helps improve stamina and performance, leading to faster progress and better results over time. When the body has enough energy, it can work harder, recover faster, and perform at a higher level. By fueling before exercise, hybrid athletes can maximize their workouts, feel better during sessions, and reduce recovery time. Mistake number 2. Doing too much too soon. Trying to do too much too soon is another common mistake. Hybrid athletes often rush into a variety of sports, running, lifting, swimming, and cycling, without giving their bodies the time to adapt. This can lead to overtraining, burnout, and even injuries. The body needs time to build strength and endurance gradually. Rushing into intense training can be overwhelming, and it can leave you feeling exhausted, not making any real progress. Moreover, pushing yourself too hard can leave you feeling discouraged, thinking that you're not cut out for the challenge. To fix this, it's important to start slow and gradually increase intensity. When running, aim to increase the distance by no more than 10% each week. For weightlifting, increase the weights by the 5th of October pounds each session, but be sure to listen to the body to avoid overloading. Building a solid foundation before increasing the difficulty will ensure that progress is sustainable and that the body remains injury-free. By keeping the intensity gradual, athletes allow their muscles, tendons, and joints to adapt without straining them. This approach may seem slow at first, but it sets you up for long-term success and keeps you from hitting burnout early. Patience is key in this journey. Gradual improvement and consistency are what lead to long-term success. While you might be eager to see fast results, slow and steady progress will ensure that you stay injury-free and can maintain a consistent training routine. Over time, this foundation will allow for greater gains without the risks of rushing. Mistake number 3. Forgetting the mental game. Many athletes focus heavily on the physical side of training and overlook the mental aspect. A strong mind is just as crucial as a strong body, especially when training for both endurance and strength. Hybrid athletes need to stay mentally focused during workouts, visualize their goals, and maintain a positive attitude to overcome obstacles. Without mental clarity, even the most well-prepared physical training can fall short, as the mind influences motivation and performance. The mental side of things can make or break a workout, especially during those challenging moments when you want to give up. To fix this, make sure to incorporate mental preparation alongside physical training. Visualizing success during workouts can help build confidence and focus. Whether it's running or lifting, imagining the desired outcome can help push through tough moments. A strong mental attitude also helps to stay motivated during challenging sessions and pushes an athlete to keep going, even when it feels difficult. If you maintain a positive mindset, even difficult workouts become opportunities for growth and development. Remember, the mind plays a huge role in overall performance. Strengthening the mental game will support physical training and enhance results. A mentally strong athlete is better able to face challenges and keep going, even when progress feels slow. A positive mindset turns obstacles into stepping stones toward success. Mistake number 4, not following a structured program. Another mistake is not following a structured program for both running and weightlifting. Training randomly without a clear plan can lead to inconsistency and a lack of progress. A structured program ensures that each session is purposeful and contributes to specific goals, whether building endurance or strength. Without a program, it's easy to lose track of progress and miss out on important recovery periods. Having a plan helps keep the training focused, and without one, you risk overtraining or underperforming. To fix this, follow a well-organized training plan that includes both running and weightlifting. A 12-week program works well for hybrid athletes, allowing enough time to build strength and endurance gradually. For weightlifting, ensure progressive overload is included, meaning gradually increasing the weights lifted. For running, mix in long-distance runs with tempo runs or speed intervals to improve cardiovascular capacity. A program also ensures that rest and recovery are factored in, which is just as important as the training itself. Having a clear plan helps track progress and ensures consistent improvement in both strength and endurance. A structured approach eliminates guesswork and gives athletes a roadmap for their journey, keeping them on track to hit their goals. Mistake number 5, focusing too much on one side of the equation. The final mistake is focusing too much on either lifting or endurance training, neglecting the balance between the two. Hybrid athletes need both strength and endurance to succeed, but some athletes tend to prioritize one over the other. Focusing only on lifting can result in a lack of cardiovascular fitness, while overemphasizing running can lead to muscle imbalances and a higher risk of injury. It's important to understand that both areas are crucial for becoming a well-rounded athlete. To fix this, it's important to find a balance between strength and endurance training. Both aspects complement each other and support overall performance. Strength training, including weightlifting, helps build muscle, protect joints, and prevent injuries during endurance activities. Meanwhile, endurance training, such as running and cycling, improves cardiovascular health and stamina. Maintaining a balance between these two elements will help avoid imbalances and ensure better performance on both fronts. This balance helps create a body that is capable of both performing long, intense activities and lifting heavy loads without injury. A well-rounded approach to training is essential for hybrid athletes who want to excel in multiple disciplines. Balancing strength and endurance ensures athletes are fit, healthy, and able to perform at their peak in all areas of their training. That's it, the top 5 mistakes hybrid athletes make and how to fix them. Focus on proper nutrition, gradual progress, mental strength, a structured plan, and balance between strength and endurance to see better results. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on more helpful tips and advice. Keep pushing forward and remember to enjoy the process, as every step counts toward becoming the best version of yourself as a hybrid athlete. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.